What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you on an update today, and what we're going to be looking at is the Bitcoin dominance chart, and we're going to look at this on the daily time frame. This is one of the most important charts in the cryptocurrency space, especially for people who hold altcoins or who have been anticipating an altcoin season. Now, just a rule of thumb that I like to live by, typically if we can get below this 60% mark, that's 60 down to about 54 or so, that's the sweet spot, guys. And so far we got a nice break here, came on heavy volume. We have not necessarily confirmed a solid downtrend as of now. We haven't really had much of a reaction. It's just been a straight drop essentially, but it has come on heavier volume, and we have gotten lower than this 200-day moving average, which is really important for us. It's one thing that we want to see Bitcoin dominance drop below that 200-day moving average and have it start acting as support. There's a few more technical things that I also wanted to show you guys as well that's been taking place, but the importance of this is the rotation. What we're looking for is for Bitcoin now, some of that money to start rotating into Ethereum, which we've seen that take place, and Ethereum's doing really well now, around $3,600. We're starting to see that rotation into Ethereum. Now, Ethereum is going to be the main focus until it breaks its all-time high, and then you potentially can see some of that money start to go into the larger altcoins and then trickle its way down into potentially a true altcoin season where you see even some of those small cap coins pump thousands of percent. So we're not there yet, guys. I believe we're in that transition where money is flowing from Bitcoin into Ethereum right now, and we're going to have to see if Ethereum can get through that $4,000 and then break up through its all-time high. But so far the rotation's looking good. This is a true move to the downside. Many people would say this was our high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low now. Okay, but for the most part, in my opinion, this has just been a straight drop, and that's what you see a lot of times with this Bitcoin dominance. I actually want to see us get this drop, bounce up for a little bit, fail to hold this 200-day moving average, and then drop back down and really confirm this downtrend. But if we're looking at the technicals, this is what we want to see. Our lazy bear squeeze is in the red. It's firing here to the downside. Our money flow has finally made it to the downside as well. It's at a negative 0.33, and our MACD has finally crossed to the downside as well. Back in this range here, guys, we spent more than a year up above the zero line on the daily MACD. We had a quick drop down here, and then we regained it and spent a lot of time up above it again, and now we have finally lost it again. So far so good here for the potential rotation into some altcoins. Now, this is a major area. If I turn on my Lux algo, it says strong low. This is a marking here. We have to see what happens, and maybe this is the area. We get down to this 60%, 61%, then we get this bounce, and we have to see what happens with this 200-day moving average. But so far, so good, guys. We're getting into that range, and this is what we want to see. We want to see that money start to rotate into Ethereum like it's doing. We need to get Ethereum to have that all-time high breakout, and then we want to continue to see that rotate into the large caps and then work its way down. But so far so good. And just a quick update on Ethereum to give you an example here of the rotation. Starting to cool off a little bit now. We did make it up to a high of 3,680 today, but we're trading back above our 200-day moving average, up above our 20, our 50. We got really good extension here on heavy volume, and that's what we want to see. If we look, our MACD looking really nice above the zero line, split open the 12 above the 26, no problem there. And then our Chain and money flows at a positive 0.29. You can still see we are firing here on our lazy bear squeeze with the yellow dots and then the green histogram, but we are getting extended as we head up to this $4,000 area, so we potentially could have some type of retracements at a higher low and then try to get up through. But this is what we wanted to see here, guys. We want to see this rotation, and now we need to see it hold and get that follow through. If you get some from these videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. God bless each and every one of you. Take care, my friends.